So today we have organized a mock job interview in Government Polytechnic Thane. So this is the arrangement, and each batch, each team should follow such kind of arrangement. All the candidates are lined up in one row. Then the first three consecutive candidates, they are seated like this: first, second, third, and then you have this interview chamber wherein such three panel members will be waiting for you, and there is this candidate seat which is vacant. The first candidate or all the candidates one by one will come over here. One panel of three students, they will interview three candidates, then the panel will be changed, and later on the next three people will perform the role of a panel member. One by one we'll start the mock job interview, and I want every team of Government Polytechnic Thane to follow this particular format.
Candidate number one, come please.
May I come, sir?
Yes.
Sir,
Take a seat. Be comfortable. Introduce yourself.
myself Nadir Argati. I completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Thane and my degree in Kalsakapur. I have worked as a 3-year fuel manager and I also have 3 years experience in the same field.
What is fuel?
Fuel is a source by, by which if you burn it or consume it, it may provide energy, heat energy or power.
Float rotation method is used in which oil?
Final.
Why we use line oil?
Because water and oil doesn't mix with each other. Oil floats in the upper layer of water.
How will you transport fuel in extreme conditions like rainy season?
In rainy season, if we have to transport it in the country, then we may use cargo ships, cargo flights, as the roadways will not be available. Or if it is outside the country, then we may use ship containers to transport it, oil containers, or we can also use cargo ships for the same.
Season soon, you can wait.
Thank you.
Candidate,
थांब
come,
थांब
please.
थांब थांब परत बोल.
Candidate number two, come please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Take a seat. Be comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Myself, Manthan Nandakumar Bhoy, and I am passed out from the Government Polytechnic Thane. In mechanical year, I am interested in the car designs from the childhood itself. And in car designs, I have more interest than other any field. That's why I choose this field. I have done the work of 2 years in such a company for the car designs. Is known as a Hyundai company. Thank you.
What is the principle of car design?
The principle of car design is a proper sketch, proper design, interior, exterior, lights, and proper structure to make the design in proper condition and proper design to look proper.
What do you do for car design?
Car design, automobile designs.
How will you do teamwork with another employees?
Another employees, I will use my SQE to further making team members comfortable. If any team member is not comfortable, I will suggest him to take meditation, which will rest his mind and make work properly.
Do you have any idea about new designs?
Yes, I have so many designs which are based on different fuels. If the fuel is confirmed that fuel we have to use in the car designs, we can make the structure easily. I have so many designs, but we need the fuel which we will use to make the cars.
If you are if we select you, then at a job, how will you manage when structural designer is opposed to your design?
If the structural designer is opposing my design, I will find out my design that something is wrong or something is not good in my design. If it will be proper, I will convey the structure design that this structure is proper and this design is good for our car purposes. If the structure designer doesn't allow me to this design is good, then I will try to remake the design that will comfortable the needs of the structure design.
We will announce results soon. You can wait outside.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Number 3, come please.
Can I come?
Yes. Take a seat. We come.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Siddhi Chandra. I am from mechanical engineering, and now I am in third year.
What is the work of principal aeronautic engineer?
Basically, there are 4 principles of aeronautic engineering: first flight, second brake, lift, and thrust.
What is the basic of aeronautics?
The basic of aeronautic is the aircraft manufacturing of flying vehicles.
What is basic of aeronautics?
They are the basic of aeronautic, which is study of science, manufacturing, and spacecraft and aircraft.
How you deal with army officer about your job?
I can do some different designing of the aircraft and spacecraft and such different way of flying vehicles.
If the war happened, then how you deal this problem with main officer of army?
Through this we can discuss all the things which is being need for the aircraft as well as the flying vehicle of aeronautics.
We will announce results soon. You can wait outside.
बोल
Candidate number 4, please come in.
I come, sir.
Yes. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Devjota Bhagat. I am from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Coming to my academic background, I complete diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Thane. I complete BTech in mechanical engineering for University of Mumbai. Then I complete GME course, means graduate in marine engineering for Sonali University.
What do you think? Which position selected you?
With my knowledge, skills and talent, but I don't have more experience, you can select in your company me as a union engineer.
Okay. What is the principle of marine engineering?
Marine engineering has lots of basic principles like hydrodynamics, thermodynamics, structural analysis, control system, etc.
What is your sum of your enrollment number 4?
My sum of enrollment number is 23.
All right, we'll get back to you. You may leave now. Thank you.
Candidate
Candidate number 5, please come in.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Please take a seat.
Introduce yourself.
Thank you to give an opportunity to ask me question. My name is Sanchal Ganesh Kadam. I live nearby Diva. I completed my mechanical engineering in diploma at Government Polytechnic Thane, and I also completed my degree at CBD Belapur, and also I completed BSc Nautical Science.
What is the critical speed and its adverse of efforts on ships?
Critical speeds means to vibrate to its natural frequency. If the condition is like earthquake, then it match Earth's frequency, so it will affect the damage of ship while it's moving.
What is the purpose of O-ring bearing in central pump?
O-ring is important for centrifugal pump to prevent leakage in the fluid or fuel supply.
What are the causes and effects of torsional vibrations in crankshaft?
We have to prevent this toroidal corrosion from ship because if this happened in the ship, so many employees or officer will damage at this time. So in my opinion, I will provide by your company that I will provide safety precaution to that and high quality of equipment.
Why I am selecting to you for this post?
Because sir, I am passionate for this position and this is my childhood dream.
You may leave now.
The result will be announced soon. You may wait.
Thank you.
Candidate number 6, please come in.
May I come in?
Yes. Please take a seat.
Introduce yourself.
Myself Vineet Manohar Mukhi. I completed my diploma in GP Thane, and I completed my degree in aerospace engineering. I have experience of few months.
How many major fields in aerospace engineering?
Astronautical and aeronautical engineering.
Which type of technology airspace engineering develop?
Aerospace engineering developed spacecraft technology and design spacecraft.
In which area you have experience?
In navigation and design.
What's your point of view of aerospace engineering?
My point of view is for space research. We engineer work for aerospace engineering.
What is the importance of aerospace engineering?
We have to know about space or our galaxy or world. That's that is the importance.
The result will be announced soon. You may wait.
Next candidate, please come in.
Yes. You may take it. Be comfortable.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Sameshwar Nirane. I am diploma in mechanical engineering last year, and I complete my degree aeroplane manufacturing at Turma.
Which material are used to make aeroplanes?
Sir, we use aluminum alloy with duralumin
And why we use that?
because of this aluminum is having low weight.
Types of aeroplanes.
Commercial, passenger, or military purpose.
Biggest aircraft of the world.
And 2 to 5 million.
Which type of fuel is used in a flight?
helium. We use helium fuel for aircraft manufacturing.
What is the purpose of making aeroplanes?
We distance covered at minimum time.
What was the first aviation day, or when was the world first aviation
19
day?
Feb 19 Feb 1911.
It's 18 February.
18 Feb 1911. Ahmedabad to Naini was the first aviation of our India.
You may go now. The result will be announced soon.
Thank you, sir.
You may wait after. Next candidate, please.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah. Take it.
Be comfortable.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Sandesh Narayan Gore. I have studied my diploma in mechanical engineering in Government Polytechnic Thane. I have passed out from degree just now, and I am recently doing a course on robotics.
What is robot?
Robot and a particular automatic machine which is controlled by a software and which replaces the human effort into mechanical effort, and it functions just like human.
What is full form of robot?
The full form of robot is random optics. परत क्वेश्चन विचारलं
What is full form of robot?
random optics rating technology.
What are you thought on this field?
My thought on this field is to make our country full of softwares which can help day-to-day human life. It means that in our house we should get one robot which costs less. And my thoughts in this field is to
What is your thought on this field?
My thought on this field is to make our country India full of technology. It means that we should provide technology in each house, and my aim is to make robots which can help our Indian army during the wars, which can lead to less death of our Indian army soldiers.
Who invented the first robot?
The first robot was invented by George Devil. He is an American scientist. He invented this robot in 1957.
As you tell that we will use this robot in the wars and housing purposes. If it will have some difficulties in the robot and the robot start attacking or something harmful for the humans, what will we do?
We are working on this software, and we have make an emergency button. If the robot is acting abnormal, then we should press that button which totally turn off its power and it gets shut down.
How will you get towards the button?
We give you a particular remote which is wireless, and by pressing that button the robot shuts off.
Which type of materials will you use for making robots?
We are using carbon fiber and aluminum mixture which can make the robot less costly and can make it lightweight.
But carbon fiber is a costly material which we use in robots that the normal people cannot afford the price of the robots.
We are making a alloy which is a mixture of carbon fiber and other metals which can make it less costly.
Have you worked on the strength or stability of the robot?
Yes, my team is working on it, and the results will be offered to you soon.
You may go now. The result will be announced soon.
Thank you.